In this section, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to get in and out of a hot tub. The best thing to do in determining where to get in and out of the hot tub is to identify a flat and level place that's up higher than the rest of the spa where you can step down in. In this particular spa, this section here works very well. The reason why this is important is because it can be slippery when wet, and it's often difficult for whether you're elderly or you have different physical limitations to get in and out of the spa. So identifying a spot to get in is the first thing. Then you can climb in, make sure you're stable on the flat part of the spa, and then actually step down into the spa. Once we're inside of the spa, we can talk about some of the different things that the spa has, including different jets and identifying the best seat to use in the spa.